Tired of students turning your team's class into a digital playground of chaos? Let's fix that. First, head to the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. You'll need admin privileges for this. This is your control panel for all things Teams. On the left navigation bar, click on Meetings to expand the options. This is where the magic happens. Now, select Meeting Policies here. You can create or modify existing policies that govern meeting behavior. Click Add to create a new policy specifically for your students or edit an existing one. Let's build one from scratch. Scroll down to the Participants and Guests section. This is where we restrict student capabilities. Focus on who can present. Change this from everyone to only me or specific people. This prevents students from becoming presenters who can then remove or mute others. While you're here, check out the lobby settings. Make sure only trusted users can bypass the lobby, preventing uninvited guests from disrupting the class. Alternatively, adjust settings on a per-meeting basis before a meeting. Click Meeting Options. Here, you'll find the same who can present setting. Change it to only me for maximum control during that specific session. Finally, educate your students. Explain these rules and the consequences of misuse. A proactive approach to digital citizenship will foster a more respectful and productive online learning environment.